man. That's amazing. Drop everything and go try this right now. This is so good. Wow. Got a quick question for you. Is your sweet tooth really throwing you off on your weight loss journey? Well, I got you covered on this one. What I'm gonna show you in this video, one of my go-to high protein sweet options that I use, especially when that sweet tooth kicks in. You gotta stay ready. I always say that. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So when that sweet tooth comes knocking, you can answer the door, but make sure you answer with something like this. You're gonna get over 40 grams of protein in this meal, and there's a few different ways you can do it. A lot of these items are so easy to find, so let me know what some of your sweet tooth killers are whenever your sweet tooth kicks in. What do you go to? What is your go-to? Put that in the comments, because it can help me out. It can help somebody else out as well, because we all struggle with the sweet tooth. We all struggle, especially when you're trying to get on your fitness journey, on your weight loss journey. That's when those sweet tooths kick in, and we need to kick those old habits. But what we need to do also is replace the old habits with something that we can sustain, that tastes good, and that's not gonna hold us back too much. So let me show you these options right here. Now, what I made right here is a high protein yogurt and protein powder bowl, and I threw a little jelly in there. All right, now I always talk, I've made this before in my other videos. Keep this in stock, okay? Keep these items in stock, because this is really gonna come in clutch when that sweet tooth is kicking in and you're gonna need to kick back with something. This right here is gonna do it. But let me show you what I use to make this so simple. Check this out. First up, I use yogurt. Okay, I went with the whey yogurt. You don't have to go with this. You can go with ratio yogurt. You can go with Okios yogurt, whichever is your favorite one. This is just the fat-free whey. I love yogurt. I eat yogurt almost once a day in some form or fashion. Sometimes I just eat yogurt with berries and honey. Sometimes I eat it with granola. Sometimes I just eat it by itself because, man, it just tastes so good. But in this one right here, is what I did is I took this yogurt and I mixed it with, bam, Caged whey protein isolate, vanilla flavored. See that vanilla? All right, this is the, you see that? This is the one that I use right here. I always recommend you use some type of whey protein isolate, preferably vanilla. I like vanilla. That's why I prefer it. But if you like chocolate, you can go with the chocolate also. You can make a chocolate pudding as well. But I like the vanilla. Cage, I've been using Cage for years. So this is why I recommend this one. You don't have to get it. You can use your own. It doesn't matter. But what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description for this one right here. This is one that I've been using. Mixes well. One scoop is going to get you 25 grams of protein. You cannot beat that. I always recommend. I use this as a post-workout shake. I use this as just an easy way to get an extra 25 grams of protein. If I'm not hitting my protein goals during the day, I will have one scoop of this and just mix it with water, mixes very well, and it tastes great. However, in this meal, what I did is I just mixed one scoop of this, then you're gonna add one serving of the 4 fruits jelly. Come on now. I talk about this so much. I get this big jar right here at Costco. If you can't go to Costco, if you don't have Costco, then you can find this at Kroger, HEB has it, Walmart has it, but they're just the little small jars, okay? It's tough to get down with those little small jars because they just go so quick, because I put the jelly on everything. Now, I highly recommend you measure this joker out. Don't just go dump this whole thing on there. I always say it's gonna throw you way off, okay? But measure this out, 4 fruits jelly. I'm trying to tell you, this one is so good. You're gonna love it. You can put this on bagels, put it on toast, put it in your yogurts, it just tastes great, okay? It just tastes awesome, okay? So definitely check this out, all right? Go find you the 4 fruits jelly, keep this in stock, but also keep a tablespoon close in stock too, because you're gonna need to measure it out, all right? Okay, now one way we're gonna get down with the yogurt, I highly recommend you use these right here. Rice cakes, okay? Rice cakes, keep these in stock, man. One rice cake, 35 calories, 7 grams of carbs. It's not gonna set you back that much, okay? If you're like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to go low carb, it's rice cake. It's 7 grams of carbs in one rice cake, 35 calories. I hope your nutrition can fit that, okay? So look, go get you some of these rice cakes. They also have different flavors. I get down with the white cheddar flavor. They got a chocolate flavor too. I don't have any more, you know why? Because I ate them all. They're gone. But I do have some of these plain ones left. The plain ones are good too, okay? Sometimes I'll have these before I go to the gym. Sometimes I'll have them after I go to the gym. You can have some rice cakes with some carbonated water if you're really hungry, and it'll help fill your stomach up, help you get to your next meal, okay? So get you some of these. What I'm gonna use is 2 of these. And the secret that's gonna set this off big time, bam, right here, Ready Whip. This is the fat-free Ready Whip right here, okay? 2 tablespoons, 5 calories, 1 gram of carb. Come on now. That's not gonna set you back, all right? I'm trying to tell you, this right here will take it next level, and it just tastes so good. Watch. Okay, if you don't have the rice cakes in stock, Another one that I like to use that I keep in stock as well is these shortbread cookies. I've used these in my other videos before. Keep these in stock. These things are wonderful. I'm trying to tell you, they taste so good. Murray has changed the game on these shortbread cookies, man. They are so good. If you know, you know. Let me know if you know on these. I'm trying to tell you that they're so good, okay? So one serving is 8 cookies. I usually only have 4, okay? Just to kind of, because what we're trying to do is just kind of trick ourselves into like, okay, well, I need to get a little bit of sweet, but that's, you know, I don't want to get too much, all right? So what you do is just get you 4 of these. Don't just open up this whole thing. Just grab you 4, put them on a plate, walk away, all right? That's all you got to do. You got to hold yourself accountable. If you mess around, just keep this whole thing open, you're gonna mess around and eat the whole thing. I guarantee these things are so good, okay? Especially if you're trying to fight a sweet tooth, you're gonna try to eat that whole thing. Don't do it. I'm trying to tell you, don't do it. It's so simple. So all you're gonna do is just take your yogurt mix here, just grab you a little bit. And what you're gonna do is just sprinkle it on top of it. Look at that. Oh, buddy, come on now. You cannot beat that. Look at that. All you got there is a rice cake with some yogurt and protein on top, man. Look at that. Next level, come on. All right, now we're gonna take it up a notch. I told you, look at it. Yeah, buddy, come on now. Look at that. Now you can't beat that. Check that out. Now tell me this ain't gonna knock out a sweet tooth. Look at that. All you have is a rice cake, and you have that yogurt, the protein, and the jelly with the little whipped cream on top. Come on now, this is gonna be so good. This, I guarantee, is gonna knock out your sweet tooth now, okay? Let me know if you're gonna try this. Let me know if you eat something like this as well. Man, that's amazing. Drop everything and go try this right now. This is so good. Wow. And another way to do it, just take your little shortbread cookie, just dip it in there. Look at that. Dip it in there, come on. That is so good. What you wanna do is take that cookie, see that little cookie? Got that stuff on top? Hit it with a little bit, look at that. Come on now. Man. And the great thing about this, if you don't finish it, just put a top on it. Make you one of these, keep it in stock, keep it in the fridge. So when that sweet tooth comes kicking in, you're ready to kick back. Okay, whenever you're like, man, I need something sweet, but I don't wanna go overboard. I don't wanna go grab candy. I don't wanna go grab anything like that. Whatever sweet you usually go get, try not to go get that. Go grab something like this. I'm trying to tell you, keep this in the fridge. It's gonna be there for you when you need it, all right? Man, those are so good. I'm still tasting, man, they taste so good. Hey, let me know if this video helped you out. Let me know what your go-tos are whenever your sweet tooth kicks in. What do you go to? What helps you get through that? Put that in the comments, because like I said, hopefully it can help me out. Hopefully it can help others out along the way. When the sweet tooth kicks in, you say, I got you, come on now, I'm ready. Oh, one thing I do wanna mention, okay? If you need some type of seasonings to help kick your sweet tooth, go look for these right here, all right? Flavor God's gonna hold you down, okay? I found these at Walmart. Flavor God, chocolate donut, buttery cinnamon roll. You cannot beat that, all right? Keep these in stock, because what you can do is just sprinkle these on your yogurt. These are 0 calorie, so just sprinkling this will really help your sweet tooth as well, okay? If you can find these, Flavor God, they'll really hold you down, okay? Keep these in stock too, because you'll be using them. So one of my other favorite seasonings to have, keep this, if you can find it, keep it in stock. I found it at Kroger. You can also find it at Walmart. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. You see that right there? Go check your local store and check the spices, okay? If they have this, I guarantee you need to pick this up. I'm trying to tell you, I've made French toast with these. I've made videos where I made French toast with these. It takes it to another level, okay? It just tastes so good. I'm trying to tell you. Or you can just put it on some butter toast or a butter bagel. Just sprinkle a little of this on top. Man, I'm trying to tell you, it'll knock out your sweet tooth right there, all right? So definitely, if you can find this, you will be using it, okay? Maybe you can get 2, all right? So you gotta stay ready. Let me know if you like this video. Hit that like, give me a subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Let's go.